Machiegni kendo nyakwara Ramogi wadhi nyime. Lakteche mag yeng'o e osiptal ma Kenyatta ochiwo resruok ne nyithindo ariyo marude manyocha ne onyuol ka dendgi omakore. Nyithindogo koro opogi kendo res ngimagi. Rudego nyocha ne onyuol e kaunti ma Bungoma ka ringregi oriwore gi agoggi kod igi bende. Lakteche motimo yeng'ono koni jopuonjrego medo yudo resruok e kar thieth ma ICU. Kata kamano ngimagi to ni kama ber. Jatatije osiptalno Dr. Evanson Kamuri wacho ni pod girango ngima nyithindo ariyogo.
Who had abnormalities in the heart independently. They were joined in the abdomen. Of course, that means apart from the liver joining the two, the muscles and the skin was being shared. And by further analysis by the cardiology team on the heart condition, it showed that one of the kids had pulmonary hypertension. In other words, a lot of blood was flowing through their lungs. And that provides an immediate challenge to this kind of kids. So through the expertise that we have in those departments, we were able to manage that blood pressure. But it meant that sooner or later, and more oftenly soon, we had to separate those two kids.
Nobody can predict. We are hoping that they continue improving. We cannot tell you that they will be out of the ICU today, tomorrow, or the day after. Because these are, as you've heard, these were actually like more than 10 operations in one block. There was an operation of the skin, there was an operation of the bone, there was an operation of the heart, there was an operation of the liver. One of the things we are proud of, this is the first time, because we have been in the journey towards liver transplant. We have been doing that and we have trained the nurses, the doctors. So sooner or later we'll also be doing actual liver transplant in Kenyatta National Hospital. We are now doing huge liver resections. So sooner or later we'll be doing liver transplant, and this is one example where we had to separate also the liver so that each of the child will have a portion of one liver that they were sharing.